Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find display and brightness. Now we have to scroll down to the screen option, and as you can see here we've got the sleep, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of settings of options from which we can choose. So we've got kind of shorter ones, so 15 and 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. Currently we've got 10 minutes option applied, and if you'd like to change it, just tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, 5 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.